Apparently there's supposed to be 2 feet of snow. Let's see if I have work tomorrow. Guys, it's like 8 a.m. and here's the snow. It's a lot, if you can't tell. If you guys never seen snow before, this is what it looks like. There's my car. And it's still snowing. Look at that. I had to dig that out. So my car is still buried, but I'm making my way to clean it out. Built this little pathway. It's hard to see, but it's a path. And yeah, the snow is just too crazy, guys. Snow plow down there. My car is in a sheaf of ice. Here's Cynthia too. Cynthia! Here, record it. Just hold it. So my neighbor actually asked me to help her. Apparently she needed a shovel because her car was stuck in the snow. So here's some footage of me trying to get her unstuck in the snow. If you guys don't live in a snow area, this is pretty much a very common problem with a lot of cars. If you don't have all-wheel drive or winter tires, you might have some trouble. But we eventually did get her car unstuck and she gave me $20. I felt like I was back in my high school days, going door to door with my friends, asking people if they want their house shoveled, because that's what broke high school kids in New Jersey do for money. Anyways, let's get right into the vlog. Hey guys, welcome back to the FedEx vlog. Do I seem a little more white? I think I do. You know why? Because it snowed! Let me show you. Damn. Look at all this snow, guys. A lot of snow. For those who live in an area where it doesn't snow, you guys are lucky. Because delivering in the snow kind of sucks. I get my feet wet, I have to walk around the snow. And apparently it snowed around 18 inches here in New Jersey. So today we don't have too much. We have only 120 stops and 163 packages. But because of the snow, it might take a little longer than usual. Also, I want to mention that I'm actually in one of the newer trucks that my contractor bought. And if you look at the odometer, it only has less than 2,000 miles on it. Here's what the truck looks from the outside. It's really big and it's really clean too. Look how spotless it is. Barely. The only problem with the truck is it's too big and sometimes it's really hard to turn in very tight corners and dead ends. The ceiling is translucent, so natural sunlight, we get natural light in here. There's a Chewy box, and we have these metal shelves, and these shelves actually fold. So if you need more room, boom. Now you have more room for more packages. Also here we have the Savvy Art hand truck. Look at that. It's so new, it still has the paper on it. And it converts. Look at that, see? Whoa. 800 pounds. But yeah, this route I'm doing has a couple interesting commercial buildings, which I will show you. So, let's go. Just look at all that snow, guys. Whoa. So we're at the country club right now, and from the country club you can actually see, let me see if I can zoom in, maybe you can see it, New York City. Look at that. I'm good. Where would you like this? Front, side? You got it. Be right there.
Thank you.
Have a good day. At the time of recording this, it's actually February. It finally decided to snow hard. Not in December, not in January, but February. If you actually never delivered in the snow before, it's more like a minor inconvenience. It just takes a few more seconds to do every stop, but those seconds can actually turn into hours. The route I'm doing today is actually a different town. The town is relatively small, but they mostly gave me all the commercial buildings to do. I've done it before, but let's just say it's been a while. So I just had to use a tad more brain power to do it. And I included a lot of the commercial buildings in the video, I find some of these buildings really interesting, so I hope you find them interesting as well. This vlog is relatively gonna be short, so I hope you enjoy all my commercial stops and the small interactions I had. Ooh, stop and admire the artwork. Paris. Hello, FedEx. I'll leave that right here. No problem. This package is heavy, guys. This thing has water in it. Oh, I should have brought the hand truck. Hello.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. This for you guys?
Yeah.
Or would you like it?
Is it heavy?
Yeah.
Just dump it right there.
Ooh,
My apologies.
no worries. All right. Have a good weekend.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you. Anyone like York? Right there? Okay, I'll just leave it like that.
All right, appreciate it. Thank you.
No problem. Have a good day.
All right, you too.
Thanks. Let's grab a snack. Hungry. Say what you know about love. I got what you need. Yes. Oh, these are heavy. Oh man. Alright guys, that pretty much ends the vlog. I'm at my last pickup and we just picked up a couple packages, pretty heavy. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty light day today, even though it snowed. I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Peace.